5415 West Harmon, Building 44, Unit 1057. There's a pool there, and what looks like a community center and a pool there. This door handle's loose. You can tell just by looking at it. We have tile at the entry, which is great. Carpet looks pretty new. Replace the blind, of course, and probably the vertical as well. Wow, it's pretty loud from upstairs. Vinyl flooring in the kitchen, we would recommend changing that to tile, about $5 a square foot. Fridge is a little small for the space, but might be okay. Linen closet, laminate. I'm not sure if you can clean that off the cabinets or if you just want to paint it. Replace that blind. Make sure that is securely attached to the wall. Probably recock this and change that drain ring at the bottom for $65. Replace this blind. This is a surprisingly large room. And decent closet. Replace that flooring with tile, $5 a square foot, really small area. This is a nice size room as well. Place that drain ring, probably recock. New toilet seat. And that's that.